Hello guys, so in this video, mag-unbox tayo ng dalawang product ng Choetech. Isang 5-port which is power hub and isang USB Type-C to Lightning. So unahin ko muna to, and pasensya na kayo, bagong gising ako. Kaya tayo-tayo pa yung buhok ko. So let's get started. Choetech 5-port USB-C PD charger with QuickCharge 3.0. So, ano nga ba laman nito? Let's find out. So ito yung main nya, yung main hub. So ito yung PD, which is Type-C lang ang pwede. Then ito yung Smart Charge, I believe na 2.4A Pro each. Ito yung QuickCharge 3.0. So kung gusto mo ng mabilis, dito itong Type-C and QuickCharge, although ito pwede na din, pwede ito siya mabilis. At saka dito mo i-connect yung power adapter niya or power cable. Ito yung cable niya, I mean power adapter niya, power cable pala mali. Ito yung power cable niya. Then may kasama siyang Type-C to Type-C cable, plus ito, if you want to become a VIP, ito yung kasama sa Choetech. Ayan. To enjoy our new gadgets, join us. So, thank you Choetech for giving me this item. Hindi ako magsasawang mag-review ng inyong item. Salamat sa inyo. Ito, user manual. So, next naman, ito. Sa next video ko, i-unbox ko to. Thank you Choetech. Thank you sa magandang product na to. Now, testing natin tong Type-C. Type-C. Yan yung light indicator niya. So Type-C. Then let's start. Yan, nakita siyang fast charge, na-detect niya. Fast charge. So ang nakalagay dito is 50 minutes para ma-full charge ang aking Samsung Note 8. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Real DC. Okay guys, have a nice day.